Hello everyone, my name is Abhishekta Ghosh. I am here to present about stress and impact on health and wellness for occupational health and safety, section 003. So, what is stress? Stress is the body's reaction to pressure from a certain situation or event. It can be a physical, mental, or emotional reaction. This reaction is known as fight or flight or stress response. During stress response, the heart rate increases, breathing quickens, muscle tightens, and blood pressure rises. So, what causes stress? Feelings of stress are normally triggered by things happening in our day-to-day life, like being under a lot of pressure, facing big changes, worrying about something, not having much control or any control over a situation or an outcome, having responsibilities that we find overwhelming, not having enough work, activities, or change in our life, or boredom, uncertain times, all this can actually cause stress. So, the symptoms of the stress can affect all aspects of our life, including our emotions, behavior, thinking ability, physical health, and mental health as well. No part of the body is immune from symptoms of stress. People handle stress differently. Symptoms of the stress can vary from person to person. Symptoms can be vague and may be the same as those caused by serious medical conditions. Behavioral symptoms of the stress include change in appetite, either not eating or eating too much, procrastinating or avoiding responsibilities, increased use of alcohol, drug or cigarette, exhibiting more nervous behavior such as nail biting, fidgeting, pacing, having angry feelings or anger feelings, getting irritated in small changes or any situations in our day-to-day life. According to American Institute of Stress, about 33% of the people report feeling extreme stress in their day-to-day life. 77% of people experience stress that actually affect their physical health. 73% have stress that impact their mental health. 48% of the people have trouble sleeping because of the stress on day-to-day life. As we can see, the numbers are really frightening. People who tend to experience particular high rate of stress they include minority peoples or ethnic minorities, female or women, single parents. They had to juggle through work and maintaining their kids and their life. People responsible for their family healthcare decision, as healthcare in North America is not cheap, especially in US. In Canada, we have long waiting period for seeing a doctor. Primary income person of a family, people of groups like LGBTQ, binary, because they feel the urge to get accepted, or people actually ignore their thoughts and feeling. So this kind of people in their day-to-day life experience higher rate of stress than any other people. Stress in the workplace is also common. About 44% in the workplace stress is due to over workload. 28% is due to new technologies which the workers are not properly trained with and expected to work efficiently on that. 9% is about not having proper instructions to work on their project or assignment. 5% is due to communication and others. Chronic stress is basically the stress when people go through stress over a long period of time. Chronic stress is what a majority of the people in today's world suffer from. Stress is designed to make us act swiftly to protect ourselves in situations of life or death, when our nervous system is unable to differentiate between actual life-threatening situation and daily challenges such as work deadline, monthly bills, emotional problem in family, arguments with colleague, etc. It gets used to triggering stress quickly and very frequently. The stress then becomes very difficult to switch off. Our body perceives everything starting from an argument with a loved one to workplace deadlines as life-threatening situation, and thus resulting in chronic stress for every person. So what are the consequences of chronic stresses? Ongoing chronic stresses can be caused Ongoing chronic stresses can be caused or by serious health problems, including mental health problem, cardiovascular disease, physiological problem in male and female, gastrointestinal problem, and so on. Mental health problems include depression, anxiety, personal disorder. Now, mental health problem has been a serious issue in nowadays society, and it is good that people are actually acknowledging this serious health situations and accepting them and getting help from experts when they are in need. And we should also, when in doubt or feel depressed or anxious, we should actually visit or take help from any expert in this field. Cardiovascular disease like heart disease, high blood pressure, abnormal heart rhythms, heart attacks, strokes, all these are common due to high stress level in human body. Physiological problems related to stress are normal like obesities and eating disorders, menstrual problem. Female tend to have missing periods, delayed periods, or even having prolonged period bleeding times. Also, PCOS are common due to this high stress level as hormonal changes occurs in the female body. Sexual dysfunction such as impotence and premature ejaculation in men, loss of sexual desire in both men and female are common. Skin and hair problems such as acne, psoriasis, and eczema, permanent hair loss, all these have seen due to high stress level. Stress even can cause gastrointestinal problems such as GERD, gastritis, ulcerative colitis, irritable colons, and so on. So, how can we cope up with stress? So, I feel eating healthy, getting exercise regular, having proper sleep, giving oneself break if one feels stressed out will help in blood flow and fight depression. Taking deep breath, stretching out or meditating helps in anxiety and muscle relaxation and thus ease muscle pain. Eating healthy, well-balanced meal which actually helps in gastrointestinal problems. We should take care of our body and eventually, thus, the body will take care of our health and us. Thank you.